So in this next video, I'm going to show you the essential little things that you may want to do, such as adding a picture, adding a link, and adding a video. So I've just went into the posts for the blog, and I just selected the blog we created earlier, my first blog. But everything I'm showing you here is relevant absolutely everywhere else. So in your services pages, on your blog pages, everywhere there is text and an option to do stuff, your homepage and everything else, then you can add the link in the text, you can add pictures, you can add a video link, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so I'm showing it to you in one place, in one video. That's why I didn't show it on every time I was talking about pages or services and so on, because it applies to every single page. So every single section of the website. So the first thing we're going to do is to add a picture. Essentially, there's two ways. So to get a picture, add it. We put the cursor where we want. We click on Add Media. And you will see the media library, which means these are the pictures which have already been uploaded onto the website. I'm going to maybe delete this one because I'm going to upload it again, delete permanently. So these are the pictures already in the system. And let's just say, okay, none of the pictures here are the ones that I want to use. So I'm going to upload a picture, and I'm going to select the file from my desktop. I think I prepared a couple of pictures that we could use. That's a picture of me, but maybe not. Maybe we'll go for this one. And it's uploaded. Look at that. What I've done here is instead of clicking immediately insert post, what I've done is I've scrolled down because there's further options. One thing I'm going to fill in is alternative text. That's a requirement for Google, and blind people or people with visual impairment that use machines like screen readers. Instead of seeing the picture, what they will be given the description that you write here. So it's actually really important, because if you don't fill this in, then Google sort of takes the view that you discriminate against certain type of users, and that's not going to help your website performing its best. So always add alternative text. So we're going to add the alternative text: chimney on fire, rescued by firemen. There you go. That's going to be an alternative text. And here I'm going to go for full size is actually quite big. I'm going to go for quite a small size, medium, and I'm going to insert into spot. My alignment, I'm going to keep it none, or I'm going to keep it left, and I'm going to insert it into the post. And then what happens? There you go. We have our picture. Okay, so it's that simple. If I change my mind about it, I don't need to redo the process again. I just click on the picture and I select the edit button. And here I get an extra option, which is custom size, because initially we were just given this option by default, but using the edit function, I get like the custom size. So let's just say I want it to be 400, and it's updating the height proportionally automatically. So, and I'm going to align it center this time, and I'm going to do an update. And there you go. We've got our picture a little bit bigger and centered. Or actually, I don't like it. I click on it, and I'm going to align it left again. Really, it's that simple. Now, adding text alongside the picture can be a little bit tricky. These are the kind of things which may require to go into the text editor and know a little bit more what you're doing, but you can try. But personally, I would suggest to you that you add all your text below the pictures that you've selected. You can try typing text next to the picture. It works, but you may find that in terms of how it looks on mobile and tablets and desktop is inconsistent. And that's where these kind of things need a little bit of skills in terms of HTML coding. So we've added a picture, and if we wanted to add a picture from the media library, which comes by default. So you see now the picture is in our media library. So if in another page we want to use a picture again, we don't need to upload it again. We just pick it up from our media library. If I want to use this, I don't know, little icon or this picture, or there you go, I want to use the chimney sweep local icon. I'm going to insert into the post. I'm going to put an alternative text, which is chimney sweep local logo. Oh, my typing is terrible today. Logo. And I'm going to keep it at current size, full size, 302, not shrink it or anything. Insert into post, wait a little bit. What do we have? Oh, logo. Oh, no, it's really too big. I don't want it like that. What am I going to do? I'm going to edit, and I'm going to select, I could select 100 by 100, or I can select a custom size, and I'm going to go with 202 by 201, and I'm going to update this. Well, okay, I'm really happy with how it is. Okay, that's simple. Of course, I have to update for this to become active. Now, we're going to do two more things. One, we're going to put a bit of text that says visit Chimney Sweep Local. And we're going to make that a link. And then we're going to make the picture a link as well. So if we go to Chimney Sweep Local, I'm going to pick up the main URL. I'm going to select it. That's the homepage of the website. I'm going to copy it in full. I'm going to go back to edit my post. I'm going to select all this. Or let's just say we want logo to be the link. I'm just going to select logo. That little sign is the link sign. So I'm just going to put paste. And if I want to open in a new window, I'm just going to open this link, and I'm going to say open link in new tab. And that's going to be it. You know, that's very simple. But if I want to just leave the website, I just keep that update, and our link has been created. Okay, it's that simple. Now, if I want a picture to be a link, I select the picture and I click on link, and I'm going to put my URL. And this time I'm going to say that I want the picture to open in a new tab. That's it. And my picture has become a link. You can't see it, but you know, it's there. So if I click on the link is highlighted, and it will work. So now if I update this, if I test my page, okay, and this is our test page. So we have our two pictures, and logo is a link. Actually, we'll make the link color change a little bit. That needs to be updated. And the picture, as you can see, is a link as well. If I click on it, it's going to open a new page and bring it to the website. Okay, so it was that simple. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. Let's delete our picture here and not confuse things. I'm going to show you one more thing. I've deleted the picture here, and I'm going to insert a video. So I've got this video. I'm not too sure. Oh, it's Joe Rogan. Is Steven Seagal legit as a fighter? Very interesting video. Let's put this in, and let's stick it in. Just doing the URL, paste, and you just wait. You do nothing, and here's your video. Okay. Now there are other options for size and everything, but you would need to pick them up from here. You would need to pick them up from share, and you would need embed, and you would need to select specific sizes from the code itself here. So we're going to just avoid doing that. Keep it simple. The video will resize depending on the screen, and I just advise you to just stick in the video URL. So we just picked up the URL, copied it, pasted it, waited, update. And there you go. What have we got here? When we're going to refresh, that picture will go, and what we got the video. Okay. So that's how you add pictures, links, and videos.